Hi all, welcome to my YouTube channel The Testing Instinct. In this video, I will be discussing about generating JSON report in Bruno. To generate a report in JSON format, we have to use the reporter-json option. So this is the command we need to use in order to generate JSON report in Bruno. If you need to use a specific environment, you can pass it with the --env option. So if you have an environment called QA, you have to use this particular command. I am going straight to the demo. I have opened Bruno. I will be using the collection HTML reporter. This particular collection has two requests. One is create user. This request support post method, and there is get user method. So this particular request support get method. So this is some of the tests which I have added for the create user request, and I have also added some assertion. Some assertion and test I have made intentionally fail, so that those details will get displayed in the JSON report that we are going to generate now. So this is the get user. Here also I have added some assertion and test as well. Now we have to generate the report. For that, I have already opened this particular collection in the file system. Now I have to open command line from this location. Just type cmd in the address bar and click on enter. So command line have opened in that particular location. Now we have to use this particular command. So this is the command if you does not have any environment. So in my case, I have not created any environment. If you have environment, you can pass this particular command. I will be adding this note into the video description as well, so that you can directly copy paste the commands. So I am using this particular command now. So after the execution of the command, a new JSON file with the name result.json will be generated in the location. So I am going to use the command. The collection have executed. Now we can check whether any result.json file is generated in the location. You can see there is a new JSON file generated now. Now I am opening this JSON file in Notepad. So you can see the summary, the results, the failed assertions, those things. The same thing which I have displayed in the command line will be displayed in this result.json file as well. So these are the details of the results. You can see the status code, the headers, the payload passed, the response time, the assertion results, everything can be viewed using this particular result.json file. So this is how you can generate JSON report using Bruno. If you have environment associated with it to your collection, you have to use this particular command. So you have to just pass this --env-qa. In my case, there is no environment, so I am using this particular command. So I believe this particular video was useful for everyone. If you find this particular video helpful, please consider subscribing my channel. Please like, share, and if you have any queries, please share your comments in the comment section. I will be clearing out all the queries. Thanks for watching and keep learning.